Hi Sagittarius. Today I'm going to do general reading may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video guys, then it will reach more people and thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. So first we will see general messages regarding your career and finances, then we will see love messages. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising on Venus. Recent past, present, future. Your present energy, Six of Cups under the deck, Seven of Pentacles. So right now you're focusing on healing. Definitely you're healing in your child. If not, you want to spend some quality time with your friend, or you want to go and meet your friend. Okay. And under the deck, Seven of Pentacles, which means you are thinking about long term regarding your career and finances. And recent past, Seven of Cups with Ace of Cups. In recent past, you were in some confusion because you had a lot of opportunities. At the same time, you had one big another opportunity. So that's why you were in some confusion, but I think you made a good decision and you focused on yourself, also self love. Always before taking any decision, think twice. Present, Four of Swords with King of Swords. Present, you are healing, you are taking care of yourself, because with the Six of Cups and Four of Swords. And King of Swords means definitely you're setting and maintaining boundaries in your career or job, because in past people are used to treat you like doormat, but now you you standing firm and you taking stand for yourself. You're setting and maintaining boundaries. Future, Ace of Ways with Three of Cups. See, right now your behavior changes. You will see these changes in future energy. You will enjoy it with your friends. Like you are putting yourself first, which is self love. And Ace of Wheels means definitely you will see a lot of growth in your career, business. And Ace of Wheels means new beginning, new energy, new opportunities. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for you regarding your career and finances. Under the deck, Three of Swords. Temperance, Queen of Wands, and Three of Swords. Again, in near future, you need to be balanced, because some situations will test you in regarding your career and finances. You need to be patient. You need to control your feelings and emotions. And Queen of Wands means you need to focus more on yourself. Queen of Wands means and invest energy on yourself. Take care of your mental and physical health. Okay. Something happened. Don't put yourself like don't beat on yourself. If something happened, think about that 1 day or 2 day. Okay, don't drag that. So let's see love messages. So your person current thoughts. Your current thoughts. Your person present energy and your present energy under the deck. There are definitely some transformation. So your present energy is Ace of Cups, but your person present energy is Chariot. Definitely very very slow moving. They are in very very slow moving. They thinking logically because their current thoughts Queen of Swords, Ten of Wands, and Knight of Pentacles. Sometimes they're feeling overburdened here. So that's why sometimes they're putting their guard up. But Knight of Pentacles means communication or stability. But even though they're putting their guard up, they want to offer stability. They're thinking about stability. Okay. And some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer and Scorpio. Then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energies here. And your present energy is Ace of Cups, which means you're putting yourself first. So new beginning, okay? And your current thoughts, the world, Seven of Pentacles and Six of Swords. The world means the same cycle is repeating here. You really in waiting mode. At the same time, sometime you want to walk away or run away from this relationship. That's why you're going through the same circuit because in these recent times you are more focusing on yourself, self love. So sometimes you're thinking, is it really worthwhile to be in this relationship? You're thinking like this, but right now you're not in the position to make any decision. So that's why you're in waiting mode. So let's see you pose the next action. King of Pentacles, King of Wands, Three of Pentacles under the deck moon. Some of you are dealing with Pisces, water sign. Again, your person is thinking about stability, partnership, equal give and take. They have a lot of passion, but they're thinking about mutual love and mutual respect here. And they are stuck. Uh, they are stuck on you. They're constantly thinking about you. But soon they are going to reveal the true feelings here. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Page of Swords, Nine of Wands, and Nine of Swords. You both will overthink, you both will spy on each other, a lot of fears involved, and no strong foundation here. So let's clarify. Five of lot of drama, lot of defensive energy, trust issues, family situation. Oh my god. I'm saying unnecessary drama is going to take place. So you better to see this video and take suggestions. So if you want drama, argue with your person. If you don't want drama, just accept the situation, give space each other, then things will get better. Otherwise the drama will go to next level. And it's like very unnecessary drama, okay? Some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a lot of fire energies. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding this relationship or situation. Empress, you need to focus on yourself. You need to put yourself first. You need to focus on yourself first. Four of Pentacles means you're holding yourself back and you're focusing more on yourself, which is very, very good. Contract. You will get justice, okay? All tied up. So right now, nothing is in your favor, but every situation will turn into your favor. Patience will be the key. Broken heart, you need to heal yourself, which is very, 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 very important. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. Some of you are dealing with Taurus. So if you are dreaming about something big, first you need a proper plan. Adjustments are required third quarter month. So in your relationship career right now, adjustments are required. Your hard work is paying off. New moon in Capricorn. Some of you are dealing with Capricorn. So if you are doing consistent hard work, definitely it is going to give you results soon. So let's see romantic love messages. Honeymoon. Enjoy the bliss of holiday. time together. So if you are in relationship, spend some quality time with your person. Getting to know each other as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Finances and career, financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. For some, it could be the case. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonate to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Thank you.